this convoy, we've decided to add an extra little rig onto the top. Andre seems to be pulling it around just now, actually. We'll see if they can keep up.
Basically everyone needs to get out so the car can survive. Hopefully it makes it up the hill without blowing up, and then everyone gets back in. Place to be stuck. Ideally it's the handbrake problem, because if we can then loosen that off or it cools off, I just won't use the handbrake.
I wouldn't touch it at all from this point on, I guess.
Yeah. If it can start going now without smoking, I think we can limp it for at least Tbilisi.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, I would say to Tbilisi anyways. Just, I would like to get to Gori because then everybody will get to see Stalin's house and whatnot.
I'm not against as well trying to stop in a shed just for them to check, because we can check.
Part is culture.
Okay. Oh, an Overlander rig.
Wait.
Oh, that's gonna get steep.
So we turned up at the spot, and it's a gorgeous spot. But you might notice, Four Seasons van. They messaged us a while back saying they're in the country and we'd like to meet up. But yeah, we're gonna spend the night with our old friends that we met back in the UK a couple years ago now. And it's looking pretty good.
A while ago we filled this tank up and in the UK if you were to buy one brand new full it would probably cost you about like £50. We refilled it at a LPG station with a guy who had a converter and it cost about 7 Larry, which is about €2. So a little less than that. Also, it's basically jet fuel underneath because the gas is so much more powerful than it was before, and I'm so happy. It was very sketchy and very scary to put the fuel in there, but now it's in there. It's in there.
Go eat, Jenny. Go eat, Jenny.
We can't leave the car here. She just told us to leave the car here. Yeah, well, if we go, who's going to stop us like getting pulled over? And they're like, unstuck. Yeah. Gorgeous river. Might as well have a lovely eco-friendly watch.
It's exactly what they're trying to do with it.
Whoa!
Oh, brisk.
You can do it, Taylor. There you go.
Like, so that LPG tank plus this. So, you know, it'll get you where you need to be. Have plenty of clearance space. Nice indoor cab. Big bed, full kitchen. And then there you go, there's the toilet. Ian's just coming out. You put it all together yourself, yeah?
Yes.
There you go.
It took about 9 months of part-time building, not permanent building, and worth every penny and every minute of it.
There you go.
Gotta be honest.
See? So that's it. You can just get one of these, and then when you don't like your neighbors, you just move on to the next one.
Gonna check if the car actually turns on today or not.
My way.
Okay.
Seems fine.
Hopefully it's sturdy.
All right.
Oh my god.
Go.
Moving.
You know, well, we normally we have our normal convoy of like 2 cars, but this convoy we've decided to add an extra little rig onto the top. Andre seems to be pulling it around just now. Actually, it's a newbie. They'll have to learn the ropes, you know, but they've got their walkie, so you know we'll see if they can keep up.
They're just trying to protect the solar panels as they go under all these trees. The thing could just blast through it, but they're trying not to damage the trees too much, and obviously protect the solar panels.
So there's a bit of a puddle coming up. I don't want you to get stuck in there, so just follow my lead, all right?
I think this has been one of my favorite, if not my favorite experience so far of the whole trip. Jesus, this was amazing.
So this is looking a bit better than the old bridge to our right.
Oh my god.
Yep, all good. I'll have it off. Cool.
And that's where we camped this morning. Woke up there, drove in the big loop. Now we're here. And now it's super easy to see where we parked our cars because it's next to the big ass 4x4 house. We found one of the most expensive ones we've come across, but how much does it cost?
Oh, 77 euro cents.
So still a mega fucking bargain. And we have our third member just chilling over there.
Are you done? My snack.
Die Autos. Ja, aber wir sind noch nicht sicher wo, weil wir haben auch einen großen Truck dabei.
Now four, we have a Neva with Marius in the back, there's only one front seat. The pig's over there. We're in the Sharon, in the Flamingo. for coming. We met with Irakli, and Irakli was the amazing Georgian guy who sorted us out last time we were here. And Irakli was just like, come stay at my place. So that's the plan. It's just taking us to a nearby restaurant, so we don't know what to expect there. Who has the most attention for you? Who has the most attention for you?
Here. And here.
Just happens to be a restaurant in a cave, no big deal. Yeah, we're just setting up to have some din, and then we're going to his house afterwards to drink some wine.
Okay, it's good. Move Joe, he's coming straight at
Okay.
Andre, Andre, you can show you can speak there unless he says no.
Basically, I couldn't squeeze in because they only have 3 seats. They're missing the actual front seat, so it's just Ravel and Marty's, I guess. It's not this time that I ride the water meter.
And we never saw them again.